This is a review of the Rodann TXRX2000A. I'll go over the features first and then we'll discuss what the pros and the cons are. This alarm was designed to detect people and vehicles. It has a 1000 feet radio range and 50 feet motion detection area. It's weatherproof. Also, whenever movement is detected, you will get a notification by a sound, either a chime, buzzer or bell. The alarm is expandable, so you can monitor several zones, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. There are a couple of things I like about this alarm. It has a reliable passive infrared sensor, so you get very few to no false alarms. The alarm is also made with high quality components, and it's really easy to install. In some rare cases, the motion sensor gets triggered randomly. The Rodann wireless driveway is made with quality components. It comes with a couple of useful features, and it has a great motion sensor capable of detecting people and vehicles accurately.